Okay guys, so welcome back to another episode of M Tutorials, and in this video I'm about to show you how to download test from Freepik and make it your own test.
Yeah, that song.
So firstly you will need to come to your browser and search for freepik.com. So after you've searched for your site, you search for coding test. That's what I prefer, but you can also search for silver test or any other thing. So coding test. So after searching for coding test, you download any of these. This is the download site. But if you see this means it's a premium version, so you need to buy it. So the ones without crown, you can download all of them. The ones without crown, you can download. Okay, so let's move straight quickly to the course. I've already downloaded some, so I'll come here and click on this to open it directly to your Photoshop. And from here, I don't need this, so I'll delete it. And I will double click on this one. If you had this type of font, there will be no caution sign, but you don't have, there will be a caution sign, meaning you don't have. So I'll change it and I'll replace. So I'll use the New. That's my font. That's the font I most really prefer. And after that, you click on Ctrl S. Okay, so let's use Freepik. You change it to any other name you want and click on Ctrl S. So after loading, it's been updated. So you come back here and click on this. You see, wow, I've changed the text simply. That's just simple as you see here. So after this, you can place it on any design you want to make. Let's assume this kind of design. Let me take this design and bring it here, drag and drop here. So okay, so you can click on this one and select from here to the last part, but don't select your background or else it will select the background too. So you drag and bring it here to where you want to send it to. Duplicated all these. There's no need for this, so you select this one. Okay, so you drag this layer section. If you decide to drag here, it will drag only one section. So you come here and drag this one, and bring it here and paste it on this one. So you see, it's been here saying Freepik. So that's just simple. That's whatever you want to do, and this is how you can change your Photoshop test from a Freepik downloaded test format to your own test. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Bye bye.